You a quick tutorial on how to log in to Google Classroom. So you're going to go to classroom.google.com, and then it'll bring you to accounts.google.com. And if you have another personal account, you're going to want to click use another account. If you don't, this screen will just come up automatically. Then you are going to enter your child's nycstudents.net email. The first two letters of the first name are capitalized, followed by the first initial of the last name as a lowercase letter, and possibly a number. Then you're going to put at nycstudents.net and you're going to click next. That's going to bring you to the NYC Department of Education sign-in, where it's going to ask you for a username. The username is the same as your child's email, except no at nycstudents.net. The password is your child's 9-digit OSIS number, which can be found on their report card, or you can reach out to your child's teacher. Then I'm going to click sign in. And it's going to bring me to the Google Classroom. So all of the classes that your child has been invited to are going to show up on the platform. If you have any questions, feel free to message me here on Dojo. Thank you.